List of package usage. In the new version of the RepTool, you may trace where packages have been used. You may choose a package from the list of available packages, and you will see a new menu button Usage. If you click this button, you will come to an overview on the uses of this package. Split to a listing of uses in reports in the upper area, and if the package has been used in tasks too, a listing of uses in tasks in the lower area. Take care, the use of packages in reports or tasks is only recorded since the RepTool version 4.5 installed in January 2018. In the time before, the link between the package and its use was not memorized. How to use this list? You may use this list of package uses to jump directly to the report where it is used. Use the overview symbol to jump to the overview position where the package is used. See the fraction blinking and the yellow frame for the package content. Or you may use the blue arrow to jump to the treatment off page for this package. You will see the symbol package as marking. If you are allowed to do modifications of this package in the report, depends on the setting of the choice of allowed modifications in reports. See a separate video on this.